Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect this Vivax AC split conditioner to your mobile phone, how to install an app and how to connect this app to this Vivax AC conditioner. It's simple, it's easy, let's do it together. First we will need to download one app, and this app is called Net Home Plus. This is the one. Now, usually you need to make an account on this app, but if you possess an iPhone, you can sign in with your Apple ID. Next step is to add a device to this Net Home Plus application. From this list right here, you will choose split AC type because this is the type of this AC. But as you can see, there is a lot of options right here. So basically a lot of different ACs are able to connect themselves to your mobile app. So we will choose split type AC. Right here we will choose our home wireless network and we will enter a password. One very important step is to set up your AC so that it has AP flashing on a display. Your AC needs to be in an off mode and we will use a remote. As you can see right now, the AP is flashing right there, but this remote is a little bit different. There is nowhere indicated the sign AP, there's a FP, but that is not it. So basically right here for this Vivax, I'll have it in the description which model is this. You need to press this LED button right here 7 times. And as you can see, AP is flashing right there. And now on your mobile phone, just click here, your device displays AP, click on the next, and your application will connect itself with this AC. Join. And as you can see, it is connecting at the moment. The connection is successful. We will save this connection. All right. And right here in your options, you have this air conditioner, which is in an off mode right now, but when we press on right here, we have it right there. And now we can play with these different settings. As you can see right here, we have a heat, auto, fan, dry, cool. Let's say it's cool. It changes the color and it also changes the settings to cool settings, and we can reduce the temperatures. Just take this and scroll down. And the temperature is changed to 19 degrees. Pretty cool, right? This right here is pretty handy tool to have. You can actually connect yourselves to your AC while you are at work, turn on your AC, and when you come home, everything is a little bit cooled off. Pretty nice, pretty cool, and pretty handy. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.